So I had a conversation with someone yesterday, very successful in her business, but she wants to get to the next level. We start talking about different things and she's like, there's no chance. There is no way I'm going to do that joint venture partnership or that collaborative thing because I just don't, I don't trust. I was so screwed over. I'm not doing that again. That's an unhealed betrayal. So I started talking to her about it and she's like, there's no way. It happened 10 years ago. It could have happened 30, 40 years ago. It doesn't matter. An unhealed betrayal is going to affect you in your health, in your work, in your relationships. In her case, think about it. You deserve that raise or that promotion, but your confidence was shattered in the betrayal. So you don't have the confidence to ask, or you want to be that joint venture partner, that collaborative partner, that person who collaborates and grows something bigger. But the person you trusted the most proved untrustworthy. How do you trust that boss, that partner, that collaborative partner? So it shows up in so many places in our health, in our work, in our relationships. If you're finding that you're kind of stuck at a certain level in your health, in your work, in your relationships, if it's just like, meh, that's very often an unhealed betrayal, but you don't ever think it because you're like, it happened so long ago. Clearly I'm over it by now. If you're just in that stage, no, you're not. Good chance you're in stage 3 out of the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. I am here to help you move through all 5 stages. You've been through the worst of it already, especially something that happened all those years ago, that it's affecting you now. That's giving it way more power than it deserves. Follow for more.